Hello. Office attire. Yes. Now, as we all know, Buttercup here has this vest for adventure, and she's rather tough looking. And she's, well, she might be harsh. Go! So, start sewing. Let's go! So as you can see, we are finished with the blazer and she looks amazing. However, there is something lacking, and remember, I want to make her fashionable. So we're going to go the distance. We're going to put this as a padding, making her like, you know, she's glamorous. So let's start sewing it. Yes, okay. So here we were able to put the fur. Actually, this is synthetic wool fur. Yes. So I got this already before, and I wanted to use the rest that was just there in the container, and it looks good. So I think our outfit is complete. Yes. So here we are with our office attire inspired by Buttercup. Yes. Now, for our shoes, we are happy to inform you that the legendary limited edition doll and accessories has its own green shoes. Yes. So it really fits the whole attire. Yes. So here we have the pants. Yes. So I'm sorry, I'm not really very good at sewing pants, but I love dolls with pants. Now I was aiming it to be a little longer. Yes. So I think we just need to Oh, here she is looking, wow, fierce. So thank you so much, fellow adventurers, for joining me in making my DIY office attire. Hanggang sa muli, kita-kits na lang, paalam!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah.
You have no style or sense of fashion. No, it wasn't the question. I don't understand why it's so difficult to confirm an appointment. Your incompetence do not interest me.